Today you will learn the most valuable tool top marketers are using to extract more sales and boost their bottom line. So, did you know that ad tracking will make your business more profitable? With this tracking system I'm about to show you, you can track all of your ads online and get real-time statistics on the important data you need to succeed in your online promotions. So basically, ad tracking is like mind reading. You will be able to sneak in the minds of your prospects and monitor their behavioral patterns, because marketing is all about patterns. Once you get the gist of it, you will understand how marketing operates and how profitable it can be once you start implementing a sophisticated ad tracking system to your campaigns. And these campaigns will make your business double or triple once you start tracking them. Long gone are the days where you just plastered a few affiliate links right here and there and expected results. These days, you want to track the bejesus of them. Track everything. Leave no stone unturned. And it will inevitably pay off. The dividends are humongous. So, I urge you to click the link in the description box, in the box below, and get redirected to my website. I posted a very interesting article in there for you to peruse about ad tracking and the inside in and outs of making a business profitable. Personally, I track everything, even email campaigns, promotional efforts, PPC advertising, solo ads. You gotta have a way to track your visitors. Track them where they are stuck and improve all the merits of ad tracking, because they are numerous. You can hit a home run with ad tracking. If you listen to me closely, you understand that the top marketers out there always use sophisticated mechanisms to track the way to the bank. So, in a sense, you are becoming a ninja marketeer. Like a marketing prophet, you will know which are your most lucrative campaigns and double your investment in there. Increase exposure. Start making more money out of this process, because with this amazing tool I've been using religiously, you can experience some stellar results right off the gate. And what I recommend right now is click on the link in the box below and get redirected to my blog. There you'll find more info about ad tracking, and hopefully you'll join the system, because it is a full-fledged system made to double, triple, or quintuple your profits to the stratosphere. Thanks for listening, and be sure to subscribe for more updates, hints and tips about internet marketing and my personal odyssey to making fortunes online.